What's going on, everybody? This is Christian from Virginia Nematology, and today I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the model I've been working on using machine learning to identify plant parasitic nematodes. So far what I have, using the photos that I've collected over around the past year, you can see here, just to do a quick demonstration, I'm focusing primarily on Helicotylincus. I have 1,263 images. Linksy, I got Belinolimus sting nematode, Heterodera, Hopalimus malortigine, so I have different genus of nematode. But I wanted to be able to identify spiral nematode or Helicotylincus, and you can also go here. Look at the bounding boxes. I actually have 1,603 bounding boxes versus just a few hundred of these other ones, right? But once again, I'm just focusing on Helicotylincus. So I'm going to do, on to training. And I've already trained this model. So once again, I'm just going to show you a quick example of what my photos are capable of. All right. Deploying test. All right. So I have to upload images, but what I'm going to do is just come over here and see Helica Tylincus. All right, let's go to images. I'm just gonna pick some images at random. I really want to use one that has multiple nematodes in it. There's a good one. Oh, Mesodon in there. So we'll do those two. First, let's see, start with this one. What's that? Entomology and Nematology Department. 4 done. All right, down, whoops. Oh, Lord, I don't know where it is. Download image. There we go. Oh, whoops, downloaded, toys. Upload. Select. All right. And then, if you can see it here, hopefully it's not going to be too blurry for you guys, but it'll create these bounding boxes around the image. So it did that well. And then you can see here that it's showing that Helicotylincus is giving you a 90% probability that that one on the top is the bottom right corner. And an 84% probability that Helicotylincus is the one in the top left. So that's pretty good. But then once again, you look down here and you got Hopalimus, which is the lance nematode, stubby root, Belinolimus sting nematode, and those are less than 1%. But this one here is still 17%. So my goal is to get these down in the future. And to do that, it's just adding additional photos, which is just a time thing, so it'll just take time. But once again, this is just a quick demonstration. Let's do another photo here. Or was that other one, not the multiple ones? Well, there's one right there. Where's that other one? Here we go. Download. Okay. See what we get? All right, once again, it'll hit both of the nematodes there. And for one, it's giving me a 92% probability and an 88% probability, which are pretty good. Let's see. Left, right, left, right. I feel like it's probably blurry when I take this video. But anyway, let's do another one. Okay, let's do just like single nematodes. Download. Yeah, Helicotylincus. These are all Helicotylincus. You can read it. All right, upload image. What do we got? Oh, that's not bad. 89% for one, and then, yeah, I've noticed a lot on some of them, they will create these other bounding boxes like that one there. And I know why it does. And if you watch the YouTube video that I'm going to make that has more information, I can explain why. But it comes back to just being able to add more photos. Let's do this other one here. So that's 2. Down loop. Up loop. Alright, when you get, here we go. See how it's creating all of these boxes, and this one has a lot of space. But I didn't see, look, it's predicting them all as Helicotalenchus, which is good. And I know why it's doing that. But once again, Sitsi, 77% for the top one there, and only 35% for the bottom one, so. And yeah, you can tell, see, it's not in its characteristic 6 shape, so it's having a harder time being able to differentiate it between that or stubby root, for instance, is giving it 21%, or sting nematode, which is giving it 16%. But like I've said already multiple times, it comes down to building a bigger database. So one more for fun. Have I done that one? Yeah, I did that one. So this one, because it looks different. See how these all sort of look similar? This one has a little bit different contrast or color. So let's see. Download. Yep, got it. And okay, this is definitely a laugh one because it's a good note. So that one's hitting me for 82%. Sting, 23%. 17% for lens. So once again, really want to get those numbers down in the future. But today I just really wanted to give you guys a quick demonstration of what artificial intelligence and machine learning is capable of. I don't know if I've already mentioned, but I've had practically have had no experience before doing all this. So to do this is pretty much been me learning on YouTube and using ChatGPT or Gemini, thanks to Google. So I've been trying to honestly keep it all within the Google platform just for ease. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to be making that YouTube video. So if this interests you guys, feel free to check that out. I'm going to post the link on LinkedIn, but it'll be my first video on my page on YouTube. So if you guys have watched this far, I appreciate it. And you guys take care.